Namaste, welcome to Yogmaya Ki Yatra friends. Today we'll be going to see a really hidden gem near Jaipur. It's called Dera Amer Wilderness Camp. So Dera Amer is a beautiful place where you can do camping or glamping, but what we did is we stayed at Marriott and went there, and it was just 30-35 minutes from Jaipur. So before leaving, we just had a quick breakfast as usual at Marriott. So they have khichdi here. It's really beautiful. Khatta meetha kaddu. I think this is full upma. Then kulcha, chole, and they have sambar. This is just this side, our Indian. This is akuri. I don't know kya hai ye, but I'm going to try it. Nice to see lots of Indian dishes in my breakfast today.
Good enough. See the elephants up there?
Where?
There are elephants up there.
Where?
Up there.
They're going up a ramp.
Holy crap.
Oh, there are elephants.
So we are not going to be able to ride the elephants because these ones are considered better.
Do you guys want the elephant ride?
No.
No, I'm good.
It feels wrong. They're too intelligent.
So we'll be having just lunch there, and it is a must visit for every animal lover.
We had actual
So our car
four-wheel
got stuck
drive.
here.
What is he doing?
So now they sent a jeep because our car is stuck here. So they sent a jeep. The family running this sanctuary is really helpful, very friendly, and they provided us all the information needed before coming here. Good morning. So here is Rangamala. She is the rescued elephant. She's coming here to welcome us. As you saw before in Jaipur, elephants work at the fort in hot and hard conditions, but here they have two beautiful rescued animals.
Her name Rangmala. With the skin, you can feed with the skin.
They're like, give me more.
Okay. Beautiful.
No, the banana is what is wanted.
He's like, I want more of those.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Wow, I've never been this close to an elephant ever.
We didn't stay there, but instead we came for lunch to meet their two rescued elephants. In Jaipur, elephants work at fort in hot and hard conditions and are ridden every day by hundreds of tourists. And here they have two beautiful elephants rescued from that life. They roam around freely, eating and living their best life. You can feed them and wash them, but that's all. This is an ethical experience.
Does not want to have a shower, she just
Oh, okay. So now it seems like she wants to have a shower.
Yeah, she's a little hot today.
Oh, Jal Upar, yeah.
You should have sprayed.
Yeah. They're saying Jal Upar. It's Jal Upar. Yes.
Oh, she's got it herself.
Wow.
Girl.
He's like, I can do it, these people can't. Wow.
So I recommend Dera Amer. What an experience we are having right now. So as I mentioned earlier, we are not going to stay here overnight, but what we did is just took the lunch tour, and this came out around $355-ish US dollars. So that was I think 5,845 Indian rupees per person. So the 353 is for all 5 of us, and it's not very cheap, but It shouldn't be because taking care of and managing elephant is
Yeah,
not
she's like, yeah, that's my
cheap.
person.
We are taking Vanmala for a walk. There is a 400-year-old temple in the premises, so we went to go there for darshan as well.
मंदिर दर्शन करवाता नहीं यार दिखा you have to remove your shoes.
Yeah,
You can...
we are going for a walk with Vanmala. Here is Vanmala.
It's like the same goes to you, where you walk forward. Other problems overtook. Yeah. Now for me, it's definitely like.
No. So ये बेर है जो कि मैं पहले बहुत खाती थी.
Yeah, I know. About this.
Namaste. So now we'll be seeing a village, how they survive, what they do, and here's the owner's nephew who is going to take us. We all were really amazed with his hair. So look at his hair; they are really beautiful, nice flowy hair.
Doing carrots. This is the time when they will start taking them out and they will start doing wheat. Wheat is a major crop over here. Oh wow, look at that.
So यहाँ पर they are washing carrots.
Coriander.
Yeah, I see.
Oh wow, yeah, coriander is there. Yeah, I can eat.
We just didn't do carrots.
So this is coriander.
पतली हुई इस बार मोटी नहीं हुई मोटी कौन पड़ी नहीं इस बार For anyone who wants to help these guys,
We will.
I mean females are very hard working. They'll work.
Yeah, the guy's just standing around. What's that about?
And this is the one family.
हाँ, okay.
So everyone.
क्या
works
नाम है
together.
आपका? आपका नाम क्या? नाम? श्रीलता. शिमला. हाँ. मेरी मम्मी का नाम विमला. विमला. तो शिमला. और ये कौन है आपके ये सब जो लोग यहाँ पे हैं ये? ये जेठानी है. हाँ, ये जेठानी है आपकी. और वो भी जेठानी है. दो जेठानियाँ उनके साथ में बैठी हैं आप.
आप सिखा दो कैसे बचाओ.
और ये बेटी है. अभी बेटी का ब्याह नहीं हुआ? अभी नहीं. पढ़ रही क्या? हाँ, चलो अच्छा है भाई. Emily Fries is pulling.
Oh my God.
Yay!
Oh.
Emily is on
You
the
can
job.
tell who grew up on a farm.
Yes.
Ah! Yes, working. You should tell her that that's how we met. Mate. Huh? You should tell her that's dancing. Yeah.
इसी तरह से वो मिले हैं डांस करते करते.
And when there's good music, I can help it.
Alright. I was gonna go for it, but.
Turns out being a doctor
Doesn't prepare you
gives
for
you nothing.
Dirty carrot. And now they are washing it in that machine, and then it will dry up there. Yeah.
What do you want?
Try the carrot.
Oh, no.
We are scared. It's not that we don't think it's clean. It's just the water. The water that they're
It's just-
fried with.
I will eat one.
They're beautiful.
Yeah, they're nice.
Oh, देखिए.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. सीताराम जी. तो सीताराम जी बता रहे हैं कि यहाँ पर ये जो कैरेट है उनके जो ऊपर का है वो रख देते हैं तो उससे वापस उग जाता है ना सीताराम जी.
वो देखो फूल रहा है वो बीज बनेगा उसका.
वो फूल रहा है वो बीज बनेगा. जो यहाँ पर तंदूर में रोटियां बना रहे हैं.
पुष्कर जी.
हाँ, पुष्कर जी हैं यहाँ पर. सुरेंद्र और पुष्कर जी हैं
जो तंदूर में गरम गरम रोटियां बना रहे हैं, और ये है बिल्कुल बढ़िया बटर, है ना? हाँ बटर है। कब से आप यहाँ पर पुष्कर जी?
मेरे को काफी साल हो गए।
काफी साल हो गए?
30-35 साल हो गए इनको।
अरे वाह, 30-35 साल से।
घर से।
सही है। सो दे हैव हियर राइस, आई थिंक दाल, यस लैम, अच्छा लैम है, बटर चिकन, दाल एंड हलवा।
This is roast potatoes.
और रोस्ट पोटैटो।
That's cauliflower and peas.
ओके, तो फूल गोभी है, मटर।
And this is spinach with cheddar cheese.
ओके, सो it's not, it's like पालक पनीर but different?
Spinach with cheese.
With spinach with cheese.
So we had a really good meal and now we will be going back. So this was just for around maybe 4 to 5 hours we were here. If you want, you can come here for overnight or a couple of days if you want to stay in glamping, but we have to go to other places, so we are here for just few hours. It's time for us to say goodbye to Rangmala and Lakshmi.
I can't give you anything in your mouth.
On our way back to hotel, we stopped here.
So this is Jal Mahal.
You can't go inside Jal Mahal currently. There are some court cases currently ongoing, but this looks really beautiful in the sunset. So now we are going back to our hotel.
हाँ बस होटल भैया।
Wow, look from the front.
It's beautiful.
Thank you all for watching my video. आप सभी लोगों के कई सवाल आ रहे हैं जिसमें आप मेरे बारे में जानना चाहते हैं, तो मेरे जब 1000 सब्सक्राइबर हो जाएंगे तो मैं एक वीडियो बनाकर अपने आपके जितने भी सवाल हैं सभी के जवाब उसमें दूंगी. Till then, please do not forget to subscribe, like and also click on the bell icon so you can get the notification. Till then, stay safe and travel the world.